Welcome back to Design Coach. In this video, I'll show you how to create a kidswear collection using our awesome online tool, Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online software for designing, customizing, and transforming product ideas into captivating 3D designs. On the platform, this design process is broken down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. But first, let's dive into the details of our design collection. We are going to focus on a girls' wear collection in this video, and our theme for this collection is floral. So now, let's do some research and find images which will serve as a reference for our collection. These are the ones that I handpicked as my reference. I'll also quickly pick a color palette for our collection. Great! All our prerequisites for this design collection are ready, so let's start with the design process. Step 1. Repurpose. To begin, we'll expedite the process by exploring our design library. Using the search bar, let's look for tags like kid and girl to find sketches that can serve as our base. Repsketch has this vast library of vector sketches contributed by community professional designers, dragging in the ones I feel would look the best for my collection. I think 6 to 7 designs are enough, so let's delete the rest. I'll now go in and delete the back sketches for these. Let's also drag in our reference images and color palette for the collection. Step 2. Remix. Now, we have our base sketches ready on the canvas, so let's remix this to align with our design requirements. First thing first, let's begin by navigating through the Components pane and look for some floral graphic components inside this graphics category. Repsketch furnishes a repository of readily available design components, great for inspirations and speed up the customization. I'll drag a few of these into our workspace. I think this one matches the most with our reference design, so I'll delete the rest. Let's now go in and edit this floral graphic to match our color palette. The idea is to create a multicolored floral pattern here. Great. Let's start editing our designs now, starting with this playsuit. I'm going to change the base color first, and then apply the floral pattern that we just created. Once done, let's group all the design objects together. Moving on to this blouse design. We'll pick a different color from the palette for our base color and replace this flower logo with the yellow one from our print. For the skirts here, I'll make similar edits as the playsuit, but I will keep it minimal and stick to just one panel. Moving on to the hat, the base remains the same with multicolored stitches. I'll highlight the teal color here as well. To finish, let's use the same yellow flower we used on the blouse earlier. For this cute dress, we'll again follow the edit used for the playsuit, only making the flowers bigger on this one. Moving on to the polo top here now. I'll highlight the ribs on the sleeves, collar and placket in teal, and the base remains off-white with floral AOP. And lastly, for the trousers, I'm keeping the base teal to complement the polo top. Remove these pockets and pick a simpler pocket from the Components pane's pocket section. I'll now change the base to off-white to match the theme with the floral AOP. And add the yellow flower on this button as well. To finish off, I'll create a turned-up bottom hem using the Create or Edit Path tool, keeping the edit on this one the same as the pocket we just drew. Group and duplicate for the other leg. I'll go back to some designs and make edits to make the collection look put together. Great, our design collection is ready now. To finish off, let's pull out a crocus from the component pane to display our designs. That's it. To conclude, proceed to the Design Properties section. Provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Step 3. Render. Now it's time to transform your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, open the view page of your sketch, and click this magic wand icon to unleash the AI capabilities. Customize or add a new prompt, hit generate, and witness the magic. Experiment with different prompts to integrate your designs into tech packs or present them in your design meetings. That's how Repsketch swiftly turns your ideas into realistic images. Subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to share your questions or feedback in the comments section.